In this video, I'll show you how you can insert multiple rows at once. Now, usually when you want to add a new row, what some people would do is go to Home and they would add a new one from up here. But what you can do is, let's say you want to add 10 new. You can select from, let's say I want to do it from here. I can select 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right click, go to Insert, Shift cells down, and press OK. Now, as you can see, I've now added 10 new because I've just moved these all the way down there. So that's an easy way that you can actually just make the new rows by moving all of these down at once. You can do it with more if you want. You can go all the way down here. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this simple little video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.